Welcome to our guided tour of the facilities for the School of Sport and Exercise Sciences at Liverpool John Moores University. Our courses are taught across a number of different buildings in the heart of Liverpool city centre, including the Tom Riley building in Byrom Street, Primrose Hill, and the brand new Copperas Hill site, which will open in 2021. The £26 million state-of-the-art Tom Riley building is the hub of the school and is named after Professor Tom Riley. The biochemistry labs are used for biochemical practicals and student research projects and focus on proteomic analysis of skeletal muscle. The biomechanics research lab allows us to investigate the effect of forces on the body. We use 3D motion capture to understand how people move and combine this with readings from force platforms to understand sports performance and reduce injury risk. Alongside the teaching and research labs, there is a 60-metre running track with additional force platforms and motion capture cameras to facilitate our research of running, shuttle running, and sprinting. The motor behaviour labs are used for practical sessions and teaching the perceptual, cognitive, and motor processes that underpin human skill development, control, and learning. Some highly specialised biomechanics practicals take place in the movement function lab. Real-time 3D capture of body movements and forces offer plenty of real-world applications. The physiology lab is a flexible space used for student practicals and research studies. The lab features a range of equipment including the latest technology for measuring fuel use during exercise. Our DEXA scanner is used to determine body composition in applied support work with athletes, or as part of large research projects that focus on health and/or performance. The chronobiology lab offers a confined space where temperature and humidity can be controlled for research purposes. The lab has also been used for overnight stays for researchers to study the sleep patterns of athletes following exercise. The cardiac assessment suite is a dedicated space for undertaking practical cardiac investigations for teaching, research, and screening. The suite houses resting and exercise electrocardiographic machines and state-of-the-art ultrasound systems including 2D, 3D, and strain imaging capacity. The cardiovascular labs are used for the undergraduate and postgraduate teaching and research. We examine the whole cardiovascular system, including ultrasound of the heart, blood vessels in the brain and limbs, the small vessels in the skin. We can measure beat-by-beat changes in blood pressure and flow around the body in all populations, including elite athletes, the general public, and individuals with disease. The Exercise Physiology Teaching Lab is used for undergraduate and postgraduate teaching and research. It has a wide range of cycle ergometers, including cycles used for high-intensity exercise and treadmills. The lab has Douglas bags and online systems which are used to measure respiratory function. There is also equipment for blood sampling, a separate kitchen area to prepare food and nutritional supplements, and an area dedicated for muscle function assessments. The environmental laboratory consists of 2 chambers. One can simulate hot and cold environments, control humidity, and the percentage fraction of oxygen to replicate altitude. The other is predominantly used to simulate hot and/or altitude conditions. The facilities are used for research by our students on dissertation projects and for physiology teaching sessions. This can include the unique opportunity to supervise and monitor external clients and athletes training for challenges such as racing in desert conditions or trekking up Kilimanjaro. The Primrose Hill building houses our high-performance unit and performance analysis suite, as well as our football exchange and physical activity exchange. The gym is a state-of-the-art facility that features the latest strength and conditioning technology and performance-better equipment, alongside weightlifting platforms, free weights, and a variety of equipment. Meanwhile, the Performance Analysis Suite contains 20 Apple iMac computers with industry-standard match analysis software, Huddle Sports Code. Due for completion in 2021, Copperas Hill will be part of the Mount Pleasant campus. It will provide sport facilities and teaching spaces right in the heart of the city centre. The site will include an 8-court sport hall to Sport England specification. A gym over 2 floors will also include over 100 workstations.